Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. And today we're gonna make Easter bun. So guys, I'm gonna show you all my ingredients and I'm gonna get them together and then I'm gonna come right back to you. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use sugar. I'm gonna use raisin, molasses. I'm gonna use malt because I don't have any dragon, so I'm gonna use malt instead. I'm gonna use some guava jelly. I'm gonna use honey, some mixed fruits over here, ginger powder, a tip of salt. I'm gonna have some vanilla, some almond essence, just a little bit I have here. And this is my cinnamon baking powder, nutmeg over here, half a cup of cherry, I cut it up already. And I have 6.5 cup of flour here, guys. So I'm gonna start putting my ingredients together and I'm gonna get right back to you. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my 2 malt to my bowl. You can use dragon if you want, but I choose to use the malt. Okay guys, plus my I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just gonna add just the wet ingredients in this, okay guys? A little almond essence. Just the right amount. What else would I have? Okay, the guava jelly. I'm gonna add a teaspoon also. Okay, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of molasses. Oops. God, it's so thick. And a tablespoon of honey. Okay, I need half a cup of vegetable oil. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my sugar. It called for 2 cups of sugar, but I'm just gonna put 1 or 1.5. Because I'm gonna give other people to taste it. So this is 1 cup. I'm gonna add half a cup. So I put a cup and a half because I don't need it too sweet. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna stir this and get all the sugar melted. My butter is over here cooling down, so I'm just gonna do this until the butter cool down. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. I have 6.5 cups of flour in this, and I'm gonna add all my dry ingredients in this one. So 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. And I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. The mixed spice, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of mixed spice. Guys, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box, okay? nutmeg. I need 2 teaspoons also. The mixed spice I use. This is the mixed spice I use. You only can get it in Toronto to buy. I don't think it's here in Montreal. But this is the one I use. I just throw it out in this one. So now I have all my dry ingredients in this. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my baking powder, and it called for a tablespoon of tablespoon and a half. So this is one, and this is the half one now. So all my dry ingredients are all inside now. So okay guys, I'm mixing all my dry ingredients together before I start mixing both wet and dry. I'm just mixing to get all this cinnamon and the other ingredients I put inside. Okay guys, so I'm going to mix all my ingredients in this bowl over here. So I'm adding my flour first. And I'm going to give it another stir to see that everything is mixed together. Okay, so everything is mixed together now guys. I'm going to add I'm going to add all my raisins, but the mixed spice I'm just going to add a little bit of the mixed spice because I have to leave some for on the top. Call for a cup of mixed spice, but I'm going to put half inside and half on the top. Smell nice. Guys, it have aroma here. It smells very nice and it doesn't bake it. Okay guys, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350. Add half of my mixed spice inside. And the other half is gonna go on the top.
Yeah, 1 cup.
Half. It's 1 cup, but I'm just gonna put half in. Not even half. I don't want to get too much. This is good enough for inside. Okay, I'm gonna put the other half cup on the top of it because it's gonna be 2. So I'm gonna put half of the half cup on one and half on the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding my wet ingredients. So in this I have my molasses, my sugar, my butter, and my vanilla. All and my malt is in this. All the wet ingredients is in this. So I'm gonna add it slow, half and half. And guys, when you're doing it, you buy malt or dragon, make sure you buy 3. That's if anything, and it's not if it's too dry for you, you can add. You have an extra one, can add some. Gosh, it smells so nice. Ooh. Can't wait. Maybe if the malt, right? Maybe the malt will make it smell nice. Okay guys, so Easter is coming, so this is what you're gonna make for Easter. Easter bun. We always make this in Jamaica on Easter. And Easter we eat no meat, we eat fish, and we eat Easter bun and cheese. So guys, you can make this for your Easter coming up. And you can eat it with any type of cheese because Sometimes when I go to the West Indian store before to buy my bun and I don't get no cheese, I just go buy any cheese in Maxi or any grocery store. I just go to the grocery store and buy cheese to eat with it. You don't have to get the Jamaican cheese. So guys, all my wet and dry ingredients is in my bowl now, so I'm gonna finish mixing it, set it aside, and then grease my pans for to bake my bun. I'm gonna grease it with a little butter, or if you have vegetable oil, you can grease it with vegetable oil, whatever you want to use to grease it. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna grease my pan and I'll be right back, okay? I'm gonna grease my pans now. Okay guys, I'm gonna half my mixture in two. I'm gonna put it in 2 pans. The other one now. Guys, remember to like, share, and comment, please, and tell me where you're watching from, please. I would like to know. I really would like to know where you guys watching me from, to see how far my videos are going out. I'm gonna put the rest in this one. And big up to my friend that told me he was watching from Barbados. I had one was watching me from Barbados, one from Portmore, one from Portland. Big up guys, big up, big up. I see all of you guys. You didn't leave me your name, but I see all of you guys. When you say Barbados in the house and Portland. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of mixed spice on the top, just a little bit. Not too much. Just for decoration. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my buns in the oven. It said 45 minutes they will be baked, so in 45 minutes I see you guys, okay? Okay guys, I'm gonna take out my buns and I'm gonna try them to see if they're complete. Okay guys, it's dry. Yes, this one is done. I'm gonna take the other one out. Guys, they're looking beautiful. Awesome. Okay guys, it's dry. So my buns are finished guys. I'm gonna cool them down a bit, and I'm gonna put them on the rack and let them cool down a bit. After they cool down, I'll get right back to you. I'm gonna cut them and let you see inside, okay guys? So this is the finished product of my buns, and I'm gonna let them cool down and then I come right back to you. Okay guys, so my bun is finished and they are cooled down, and I just bought half a tin of cheese. You get it in the plastic. I think it comes straight from Jamaica like that. So I cut it out already. It's here. I'm gonna slice it. I'm gonna give it 2 slices. Come here, and my sister gonna eat just now. So okay guys, I have 2 slices over here. I'm gonna take away this bigger piece now. And now I'm gonna clean my knife again and cut my bun. So okay guys, I'm gonna cut my bun. Look how moist it is guys. I think it's moist on the one in the store. Look how moist it is guys. Look. So guys, I'm gonna put a slice of cheese into my bun. My sister, give me another plate over there so I could put this, so they could see this. So guys, this is my bun and cheese. I'm gonna cut another slice. So guys, this is our finished product of our bun and cheese. And guys, it takes at least an hour to bake.